Hello everyone, welcome to class 8 of CM1. I'm Pratap from Smears Education Solutions. We'll have another practice class on interest rates. This will be very important for you because lot of students they've asked these kind of doubts. This is the first question. A 91-day treasury bill is issued by the government at a simple rate of discount of 8% per annum. Calculate the annual effective rate of return obtained by an investor who purchases the bill at issue. Though this is an easy question, but initially when you see for the first time, you might feel it a bit difficult. How you need to do it? You write the number line. Simple rate of discount 8% is given. So remember, simple D is 8%. We have to find annual effective rate of interest. That means compound I. Let me write here 91 days, 91 divided by 365. So I'm finding the discounted value of A using simple discount. This will be A multiplied by 1 minus number of days, number of years here, 91 divided by 365, A into 1 minus ND I will write because this is simple. You have to write A into 1 minus D power n if it's a compound discount. So this will be the coefficient into 0.08. This is the discounted value. Now the same thing you can find here using effective interest rate for 91 days. Same present value of A. If you want, you can write simple way. Then from simple way, you have to find compound I. Directly also you can write it. It will be A divided by, or I can directly write -1, 91 days. So it will be 1 plus I power minus 91 divided by 365 because this is the discounted value. Now this one and this one, they must be equal. If you solve these two, this one and this one, because we found in two different ways, they must be equal. So if you equate these two, and solve it, cancel A from both the sides, you will get the answer. So this is over. Let's go to the next question. So if you understand this one, you will be able to follow the rest questions as well. If you have any doubt, you can spend some time before going to the next question. An investment is discounted for 28 days here. 28 days. Simple rate of discount again given. It's 4.5% per annum. You have to calculate the annual effective rate of interest. Is it any different from that? Again here 28 days, so I have taken 28 divided by 365D. At a simple rate of discount 4.5%. We'll use 4.5% in D here. So that will be 1 minus 28 divided by 365D. This is the discounted value. You have to find the annual effective interest rate. So this will be 1 plus I. You can draw a diagram. Power minus 28 divided by 365. The same thing. I didn't draw one diagram here because this question and question 1, they are the same thing. You have to draw this way. 28 divided by 365. D is given here. I can put 4.5% here, 0.045. And here the value, two ways you have to find, using D, using simple D and compound I. And they must be equal. You solve this and find the value of I. That's all. Let's go to the next question. 91-day government bill provides the purchaser with an annual effective rate of return of 5%. You have to determine the simple discount rate. So there I was given, you found D here, sorry, D was given, you found I. Here you have to find D. Again 91 days, 365, present value of 1, or you write A, it doesn't matter, A will get cancelled anyway. Present value of 1, using D you have to write. This will be 1 minus 91 365 D. Using I you have to write 91 365 discounted value of 1. Again here annual effective rate. So when we talk about effective rate of interest, this will be the power because this is compounded. So equate these two. Now we have to find D. I is given 5%. So 1 minus 91 divided by 365D, that is equal to 1 plus I power minus, because we are finding this side. You have to solve this and you have to find I. D comes here. And the answer will be, you can check it. I is given 5%, I can write here. 1.05. Check this answer. Even I can write I here so that you can check your answer. This is for number 2 and you get D here. Sorry, you get I here. .611%. And in number 1, D is given, you need to find I. 8.416%. So 3 problems are over now. Let's go to the 4th one. If you see 4th one here, two types of investments are there. One is a 91 deposit, which pays a compound rate of interest 3% per annum effective. Second is a government bill. Calculate the annual simple rate of discount from the government bill if both investments are to provide the same effective rate of return. So I can write one equation. %3 given. This is equal to 91-day deposit. Here compound, so I've taken the power, and minus because I am finding the discounted value. That will be equal to 100 again. You need to solve and find D. It's not a new problem. 2.945%. Check it. The last one. Here, rate of interest given 3% per annum effective, 91-day treasury bill. In treasury bill, the price that an investor must pay per 100 nominal. Don't worry about the nominal thing here. We'll come across nominal thing later. Nominal means just the face value. The annual simple rate of discount from the treasury bill. There are two here. So to find the price here, you just discount. Again, this is not new. That means this is the price, and finally it will be 100. The future value of 99.266 will be 100. And the second one, you have to write it because we are using the price using discounted rate. So in different ways given, but this is they are the same thing, one and the same thing. You solve it and find D. That's all. These are very, very useful exam questions. So you have to solve and practice so that when you go to the chapter said, it will not create any problem for you. If you understood it, please like and share and subscribe to our channel to get the notification and keep up with our latest content. Thank you.